In front of me is Realme GT6, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then select All Services, tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Passwords Manager. Lastly, after tapping on Passwords, click on the chosen one and enter your screen lock. Then tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!